Everyone, my name is Larue, and today I'll be talking about long-tailed macaques. These macaques belong to a diverse genus distributed across Asia. Their scientific name is Macaca fascularius. They are primates in the Old World monkey family. Their average weight for males is about 4.7 to 8 kilograms, and females weighing about 2.5 to 5.7 kilograms. Their body length is between 38 and 55 centimeters, excluding the tail. Their tail length is nearly as long or longer than their body at about 42 to 65 centimeters. Their notable features: they have a very long, non-prehensile tail, narrow, slender build. Compared to other macaques, they have cheek pouches for storing food. Their coloration is a brown gray fur, lighter underbelly, dark hands and feet. These features support agility in both arboreal and terrestrial environments. Their geographic distribution: the long-tailed macaques are widely distributed across Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Myanmar. They also have been introduced into several islands and coastal regions due to human movement and cultural practices. Their habitat typically is mangrove forest, lowland tropical rainforest, river edges, coastal shorelines, swamp forest, agricultural edges, urban and suburban environments. Their habitat use is semi-terrestrial, comfortable. They're comfortable on the ground and in the trees, often forage in lower and middle canopy layers. They use elevated areas to avoid predators. They're highly adaptable to human-altered landscapes. Their flexibility in habitat use contributes greatly for their survival success. Their home range is typically between 25 to 150 hectares, depending on food availability. Home ranges can overlap. Groups maintain boundaries through vocalizations and displays. Their day range travel is often about 1 to 3 kilometers. Daily movement patterns include leaving a sleep tree at dawn, traveling to various feeding sites, and returning to secure sleeping areas by dusk. Their very resource abundance, depending on season, and anthropogenic food sources strongly influence their travel distance. Activity patterns: they're active during daylight hours. The feeding is about 40%. They spend about 30% of their time traveling, 30% resting. The remaining time is in social behaviors. Their peak activity periods occur early in the morning and late afternoon. They rely heavily on group coordination with synchronized feeding and rest times. They are quadruped, walking and running, leaping between branches, occasional climbing in vertical tree trunks. They sit while feeding and squatting and clinging in trees. They're highly agile and capable of fast terrestrial movement. Their long-tailed aids with balance, but is not used for grasping. Social organization: they are large multi-male, multi-female groups, often ranging from 20 to 50 members. Their group includes adult males, adult females, infants, and many juveniles, creating a lively and social community. Families usually stick together. Females will remain in their birth group for life, helping maintain stability. Males typically leave their original group as they mature. Social structure: they have a strong hierarchy, especially among females who inherit rank from their mothers. High-ranking macaques get better access to food, resting spots, and social support. They're not highly territorial, but will defend important feeding areas or safe locations when needed. Their primary diet focuses on fruits, leaves, seeds, buds, flowers. Additionally, they will eat insects, crabs, mollusks, bird eggs, small vertebrates, human food scraps in urban areas as well. Their foraging behavior is opportunistic and omnivorous. They use cheek pouches to store food, often forage near water and tidal zones. They are skilled at problem solving, including opening shells or even stealing food. Their diet changes seasonally depending on fooding patterns and human availability. Their mating systems, they have a polygamous system where both males and females have multiple mates. Females show preference for males who display strength, confidence, and social status. Mothers usually give birth to one infant at a time with long periods of care and closeness. While other mothers do most of the caregiving, other females will help with carrying, grooming, and protecting the infant. Young males eventually disperse from their natal groups, helping avoid inbreeding. Now we're going to talk about predator behavior and conservation status. Long-tailed macaques face predators such as large snakes, birds of prey, dogs, and of course humans. They protect themselves through alarm calls, climbing to safety, staying in tight, alert groups. Their conservation status is at a least concern, but some populations are declining due to habitat loss, hunting, and conflicts with humans, especially involving the monkey trade. They are still considered an endangered species. Protection varies by region, habitat conservations, and reducing harms. Reducing human macaque conflicts are very important for their long-term survival. Here are my sources. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you learned something about long-tailed macaques.